Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Spiderman 2. While playing the game, you get extremely low FPS, stuttering, or even the game freezing. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Let's start with the basic troubleshooting steps. First of all, make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. For that, you need to download the latest drivers from the official website. Here is the AMD website. Scroll down in the search box, type in the name of your GPU. For example, at my end, I have RX Radeon 5500M. Select it and hit the search option. Now you need to expand depending upon the type of Windows you have, and then you need to download the latest drivers. Currently, the latest driver available on this official website is 24.12.1, but you need to download at least 25.1.1 to make the game smooth with a good FPS. For that, I have another website which is Tech Power Up. Scroll down and here is the official download link of the AMD Radeon drivers. The drivers are currently in beta stage, that's why it is not showing right over here. So you can directly download right from here by clicking on this link and then click on the option download to download the latest drivers. Install them into your system and then launch the game. Now if you have an NVIDIA, right over here, put in all the informations and then click on the start search option. Now for NVIDIA, you need to have a driver version 572.16 which are available right over here. So you can go ahead and simply click on this get download option to find the relevant drivers and then install them into your PC to resolve the issue of low FPS, freezing and stuttering in the Spiderman 2 game. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the second step. In second step, go ahead, you need to open the game directory. At my end, the game is installed in D drive, games, Spiderman 2. Now over here, you need to find two files one by one. First one is D storage and second one is D storage call.dll. Select both the files, right click and choose option cut. Now right click, right in the folder, choose option new and create a new folder over here. Open the folder and paste both the files right over here. After pasting both the files, go ahead and relaunch the game, and again this will fix out the issue of stuttering, low FPS in the game. If this also failed, in third step you need to update your DLL files manually until the game developer releases an hotfix update for you. To do so, again I have this Tech Power Up website. From here you need to download DLSS reconstruction and DLSS frame generation file, and third one is DLSS. Go ahead, download the zip file one by one, select any of the servers and save these files onto your system. Now once all three files are downloaded, open zip folder one by one, right click, copy, and again right in the game directory you need to replace these existing files. Right click and paste. If it is asking you to replace the file, go ahead and replace it. Open second folder, again right click, copy and paste right over here again. Again replace the file, and now the third folder. Right click, copy and paste the files right over here. Replace the file, and once it is done, go ahead, relaunch the game. You are ready to play the game, and this will fix out the issue of Spiderman 2, low FPS, freezing and stuttering in the game. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.